Bleeding cupping. Okay, this should be used only by doctors, but we can show it to you. It's also very effective for heat symptoms. Okay, if the common cold goes to the second stage, what we call the wind and heat stage, you have the symptoms like sore throat. Then we need to use bleeding cupping on artery point. Yeah. Yeah. The directions. Disinfect the skin surface. Then use a 3-edged needle or dermal needle to puncture the chosen acupoints. Now in our clinic, we also use syringe needle. You know? And then attach cups onto the needled area and return for 5 to 10 minutes. Yeah, it's suitable for invasion of pathogenic heat, problems caused by qi and blood stasis. Yeah, it's all for blood stasis symptoms. Bleeding treatment is also very effective. Yeah, we have mentioned blood stasis, body constitution. Actually, we can use this kind of technique to treat. Don't worry, it's not so hard. Sure. Yeah. Let me show you. This is our model. Bleeding cupping is used 3-edged needle or syringe needle and cupping together. My left hand hold syringe needle and 3-edged needle. Firstly, disinfect the skin surface of the point. This is we used for Weizhong point. Yeah, Weizhong bleeding use treatment. Use syringe needle, puncturing the local points quickly. Yeah. Or lower back pain. Yeah. Puncture the point very quickly. Attach the cup on it. Yes. Yeah. Please pay attention. The blood will flow from the needle to the rim of the cup. Doctors use this technique to relieve illness caused by pathogenic heat and blood diseases, such as acne, dermatitis, and soft tissue Actually, not so much. Our model said he even hasn't the feeling when I puncture the needles. Only if you can do it as soon as possible. He will not feel anything actually. Feedback. This technique should only be performed by doctors. It is not safe to do it by yourself. Yeah, you see the color of blood. It looks very fresh, red, fresh and red. Yeah, because the model is very healthy. Yeah, for people who has back pain, lumbar intervertebral disc protrusion, the color looks very dark. Yeah, or if you are blood stasis body constitution, the color also looks dark or black. Firstly, then. After bleeding treatment, the color of blood turns fresh and red. And the last one is cupping with needles. This is a treatment combined acupuncture and cupping. The directions. Needle the chosen acupoints, then attach cups onto the needle area. The needle should be at the center of cup. Retain both the needles and cups for 10 to 15 minutes. Okay. Yeah, it has a function to consolidate the therapeutic effect. Let me show you. Cupping with needles. In order to consolidate the therapeutic effect, doctors can use cupping and acupuncture at the same time. Firstly, take the acupuncture on the point. Yeah, I select the Geshu for him. Yeah, I can puncture the needles very quickly. Normally, the patients will feel anything. But when I do the technique, normally patients will have and then attach cups onto the needles. The local area, the patient will feel distension, numbness, or electric feeling. Yeah, this is vacuum cup on the needle, and another one is fire needle. I just want to show both. Yes. Retain both the needles and cups for 10 minutes. Then remove them. Actually, this is very effective for losing weight. Yeah, select some points of spleen meridian and stomach meridian on belly, and then use cupping with needles. Okay. Okay, we have introduced 5 techniques of cupping. Then we need to know how to remove the cups. This is also very important. Press down on the skin by the rim of the cup. Yeah, let the air in. Then you can move the cup very easily. Okay. For vacuum cup, just lift this button, then it can move very easily. Okay. Okay. Yeah, this is for vacuum cupping. And the treatments for some common disorders. The first one is common cold. This is I strongly recommended for everyone. When you catch cold, don't take medicines firstly, but use cupping firstly. It will control your symptoms and it can be covered very soon. Actually, when you take medicines, normally you need 5 to 7 days to recover. And if you needed, you didn't take any medicine, you also need 1 week to recover. So almost no difference. But with cupping, you can recover very quickly. Yeah, normally 2 or 3 days. But you need to know when you have the symptoms the first time, the beginning. At the beginning, you need to think about this treatment and to do it as soon as possible. Okay. So for common cold, we recommend moving cupping, rotation cupping. And if it goes to the wind and heat stage, we need to use bleeding cupping on Dr. point. Okay, moving cupping use along blunder meridian because in TCM theory we believed wind and cold first affect blunder meridian, then it will go to because blunder meridian is 太阳 meridian. 太阳, the pathogenic factors will affect the 太阳 meridian firstly, and then it goes to 少阳 meridian, and then 阳明 meridian, and then go to the 少阴 太阴 and 厥阴 meridian. So it goes into our body step by step. The first meridian, we have the symptoms is 太阳 meridian. So we just need to use cupping to take the wind and cold out of body as the first stage.
The pathogenic will be on the superficial area.
Yeah, superficial area.
I think its bladder is on the back, easy to get it, easy to find this meridian, and the pathogenic will affect this area because it's superficial.
Yes, you can see from the picture, the two red line is blunder meridian. So just use moving cupping along these 2 red lines. Okay. And rotation cupping, we introduced 2 points. 分门 is blunder 12 and 肺腧 blunder 13. Because 分门 in Chinese it means it's a gate, not wind. 门 is gate, you know. So it means from this point, wind goes into our body. It's a gate, not wind, of our body. Okay. And the 肺腧 blunder 13. It's a 腧 point, not lung. You know. So these 2 points is very important for common cold.